Good morning! In the last couple of works, I've been working with a lot of dark colors. And so today I want to start a little series with high contrast and very vibrant background colors. And the first color that I mixed is this one. It's a mix of titanium white, Naphthol Red and some yellow ochre. And I want to start covering this full base with this color. Let it dry because I want high contrast. And so I want this dry and then go over it with more like janking greens colors. So, wow, this is vibrant. Really looking forward working on this painting. I will probably do the sides as well with this color since I have a lot of residue here. And let it dry and I'll be back. This base is now dry and wow, is this fun or is this fun? So vibrant. I've mixed up here a pale green and that would be such a gorgeous color to start with. Little experiment. So I will be working with only greens, I think. Right, and I think I want like this corner composition and more the dark colors on the bottom and then some lighter colors more here, I guess. So well, let's just see how this goes. It's a start. It's a start. A lot of this will be covered up, but I just want to bring out some color. Do you see the difference? The color here on white and this color here on this peachy pink. It's fun. Okay, let's start with other colors. Just gonna build it up, I guess, with lighter and then going darker. This is a Sap Green light by Tree Art. I also have a Sap Green by Golden, and those are total different colors. Let's see. This is not looking good right now. I'm determined to make it look good. That is contrast. I have a feeling to make this very dark even. Yeah. I really want all the darkness in the bottom here, so let me work on that, but I do want some gradient. This one is quite fun. I'm not loving it yet, but I feel like I can start loving this. Is it already time to start working with some white, or do I want to bring even more darkness? it's fun to do. It is fun to do. I think I want more of those lines like this and that. Let's go with the golden Sap Green and then you will see. So this is the tree art Sap Green, this. And now I'm using the golden Sap Green. That's a lot more brownish, more a warm green. Do you see that? Might be too much. Yeah, I think that's too much. All right, let's start with some white because I'm going overboard now. That's lovely. We do want that somewhere here as well. So I'm not using a lot of white. But this is bringing out the depth, for sure. You know what? I kind of want to add maybe just some of that Indian yellow to brighten things. Wow, ain't that just a vibrant pop in here? Am I making this too neat? Maybe. I feel like that. I'm making this too neat. Let's just keep building, shall we? A lighter line. This one up there. There's just one little thing that's missing and I don't see it. But I'm loving this contrast. Maybe it's just one little brush stroke with white. That is lovely. Yes, it's lovely. Ain't this one fun? What do you think? No, I don't like it this way. I really like it this way. This one is a fun one. It's a fun one. It is a fun one. I'll be back. And here you go. Here is the final end result. And do you see something different? Do you see it? Because I added another layer to this painting. I told you I was missing something and so I added like this little faux shadow leaf bush underneath all the green leaves. And I think it gives it a lot more body and just a cool effect. It was quite the hustle to do it. I used some masking fluid to mask all the leaves and then I painted on those brownish leaves. I would love to hear what you think. This is my first painting in fashion colors. I ended up painting the sides black after I already painted them this peach color. But I think, you know, this makes the color pop more, makes it a little bit more elegant. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you next week Saturday.